All right, it happened again. We got another core update from Google. Now, updates from Google happen all of the time. Sometimes they tell us, sometimes they don't. Sometimes you just look at your website rankings and they're up, down, and around, and you lose traffic or you gain traffic. As an SEO agency, you got to constantly keep on top of this. We are constantly on top of this for our clients, so we can always see what's working for certain clients and what's not working for others and make adjustments accordingly. But when it comes to these core updates, this specific update is not a spam update, it's a core update. So the focus of it is focusing on relevancy, quality, and performance across the web. So if you already have good content on your website, thorough content on your blog content and service pages, there's a good chance you're not going to be affected. What is going to be affected is content that's only generated just to put content on a site without actually being helpful. There was a massive helpful content update in the past where essentially what was happening is Google was prioritizing sites that position themselves as authorities, right? So this is important. You can expect ranking fluctuations in the next 2 to 3 weeks. This update started rolling out on June 28th, 2025. And again, it's going to take about 2 to 3 weeks to deploy. So what I would do, I would look at your website traffic over the next few weeks to see what kind of fluctuations, if there are any, that are happening. And if you do see a big fluctuation in your traffic, the best thing to do is talk to your SEO specialist, or hey, ask your Claude or ChatGPT SEO specialist how you can improve your rankings. Now, in the next few weeks, you probably should avoid any drastic changes to your website as this update rolls out. Typically, you just want to keep everything as is. Don't try to change everything or game the algorithm. Good chance you could get penalized for that. So Google's official recommendation is to continue focusing on helpful, people-first content. So if you are abiding by, best practices with Google in the past with your content, don't change anything. There's a good chance your site will not be affected. But if you are doing a lot of just spammy content, AI generated content verbatim from AI to your website, there is a chance you could get penalized with this update. So you got to think, as these Google algorithms get smarter, Google is going to reward sites that are using AI responsibly with their content and penalizing those relying on thin, low value content. Even if it's technically optimized, but it's low value content, there's a good chance those websites containing that content are going to get penalized. If you found this video helpful, please give a like, share, subscribe, and until next time, we'll see you soon.